First released in the year 2000, the Nike Air Presto arrived with a t-shirt-like sizing system, a sock-like build, and it was pretty revolutionary for its time. This model commemorates the 20th anniversary. This is the Nike Air Presto in the Crimson Siren Red colorway. These retailed for $130 on the Sneakers app. Getting into the box, as you guys can see, this is not your typical average Nike box. This is actually a Nike Alpha Project box, which I believe is the original box that the Prestos were released with back in 2000. Inside of the lid, as you guys can see, we have a nice little graphic which kind of gives some nice details and explains the technology that the Presto incorporates. Getting these bad boys open. There they are. Onto the beautiful shoe itself. The colorway is actually a re-release of the Co.jp Rainbow colorway that was released back in 2001. It was also a Japanese exclusive release, so 20 years later we get a kind of a worldwide general release. We have this really nice gradient pattern that goes all along the top upper of the shoe, and the gradient is kind of like a sunset or sunrise gradient depending on how you look at it. Starting at the toe box, we have this nice golden yellow color, and then as we work our way up, we get this orange color, then we get a splash of pink, and then it transitions to purple, and lastly we get the blue at the rear on the heel. The crispy white laces, the midsole, and the lining of the shoe offer a really nice white contrast to all the colors that are on the shoe, as well as the blue Duralon waffle pads at the bottom. Lastly, this really nice icy blue cage and the three orange swooshes tie the shoe all together. Some quick little details of the shoe that I thought I'd mention. The 5 blue dots are actually in the 5 gradient patterns. We have yellow, orange, pink, purple, and then the blue. On the inside heel of the insole, we have the 20th anniversary badge as well as the t-shirt sizing of the shoe. We also have the Nike Air logo kind of hidden behind the heel overlay here. Lastly, the laces actually have some nice little Presto branding on it. It says Presto Instant as well as Presto Happiness, and that is actually a reference to the Presto's kind of tagline, which is Instant Happiness. All in all, this colorway is perfect for the upcoming summer season on a shoe that's actually really special to me. The Presto is the shoe that really started it all for me. It's the shoe that got me into shoes. I remember when I first saw it at the store, it was just so insane looking to me. The materials and the design of it was just crazy. You know, the curvature of the midsole, as well as this cage that almost looked like a rib cage to me. It was just so crazy and futuristic, and it's a shoe that's I don't know, I never see this shoe going out of style. I think it's such a beautiful design, such a timeless design, and I really just thought it was like the coolest shoe that I've ever seen. It's honestly one of my favorite Nike models of all time. And that same week I actually ended up buying like 3 pairs of Prestos because this shoe was just so amazing to me. But anyways guys, let me know, you guys digging the Prestos, you guys like the colorway, let me know in the comments down below. And that's pretty much gonna be it for the video. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for checking me out.